So you have a video or an audio that you'd like to summarize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that so easily with NoteGPT. NoteGPT is one of the best all-in-one AI platform that I've come across. Of course, there are a ton of different solutions out there, but this is one of my favorites because it comes with all that I need to use and it's super fast and convenient. Now, to summarize any audio or video, just ensure that you click on summarize here from the options and then click on audio and video. Here you want to go ahead and either drag or drop any video file that you have, or you can simply click the button to upload and just select the video that you want to summarize, and it will quickly go into upload and the transcribe process before you can summarize the video. As I said, it is super fast. As you can see right now, it's just about 24-25%, and within no time it should done upload and transcribe, and then it will take the final step into summarize that video. As you can see, it's currently transcribing, and so once that shows us successful, we will take it to the next level where we will summarize the video. As you can see, it's done right here, guys. So I'm going to just simply click on that, and here you can see the transcript of that video that we just uploaded, and it automatically starts to summarize for me, as you can see right here on the right hand side, and this is a full summary of that entire video that I have uploaded. Now, sometimes I must say that once you open a transcript of the video, it doesn't automatically summarize, but you can simply hit that summarize button and it will quickly summarize the video for you. But that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to summarize any audio or video file that you have with NoteGPT. All you have to do is upload your file, whether it's an audio or video, then it's going to go through the uploading and transcribing phase. Once you open it, you'll have the transcript and it should automatically start the process to summarize it for you. So if this is what you're looking for, you want to check out NoteGPT because it's one of the best and most convenient tool that I've used, and I just want to share it with you guys. With that said, thank you guys for watching. If you find value here, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and looking forward to see you in the next video.